Hello, welcome to the next day of Scarology. So at this point, you should have brainstormed, we planned the order of events, we've written a rough draft, and now we're moving on to things to make our rough drafts better. Because sometimes our rough drafts, well, they're rough. So today we're going to talk about introduction. Now, you are not going to send me anything today. You are simply going to make a change to your rough draft and then wait for tomorrow, which you will then have another change that you will add to your rough draft. So today it is about introduction. So I want you to make sure that you've watched the video about introductions. If you haven't, stop this right now and go watch that. Then come back here. Okay, so at story, we have to hook our readers, just like we do in an essay, anything else. We have to hook our readers so that they want to actually read what we're writing. Nobody wants to be bored. So you have to think about, okay, am I going to do a question or a sound? Am I going to do a description? Those different things. And so I went back to my Lake Powell story and I added an introduction. Notice it's in red and it's not very long, but I think it adds just a little bit of kind of hints at what's going to happen. So let me read it to you. Don't play with the knives is a saying I have often heard my mom exclaim. Unfortunately, even at 32, it was a lesson I still had to learn. Okay, that tells you some things. It's going to be something with a knife. Tells you how old I am. So if you want something like this, if you want to take it and adapt it, great. So think of something your mom said. It was like, don't forget to wear your helmet, you know, when you're riding your bike. Unfortunately, even at 8, this was a lesson I still had to learn, or whatever. You are welcome to imitate, and use my intro if you would like. But today's assignment, you're not turning anything in, but today's assignment is to go back into your rough draft and to add an introduction. Hope you got it. See you tomorrow.